What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at ARM stock. So, wow, guys, this thing, look at it. Super strong today. We have what? This is $9 up today, 8 point few some percent up, right? So, this is still in that channel, still holding strong, and as you saw in the thumbnail of the video, can we go to this all-time highs of 164 from 124 where we are right now, right? Can we go up there? Well, so in this video, we'll talk about all of that once I let you know that none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. So, if you have been following my videos on ARM, you already know we have been talking about that it is in the uptrend. That's where this channel has also come from, right? This blue channel. Now, what we were seeing is that we were resisting at this blue box due to this previous strong resistance. And I mentioned that on my videos, a strong move is coming and huge move is coming. Let me show you that as well. So guys, here on my channel, just over this weekend, I talked about here, ARM stock, a massive move is coming soon, right? And that's what it is. That's the massive move that we have been getting. So what was this, right? So we were talking about that because there was just so much consolidation sitting around here. The tightness was happening. And this thing was still in the channel of, now I have to extend this channel a little bit because we are on our way higher. So we are, again, these will never be penny to penny perfect, guys. So just, these are as for the reference. So yeah, we were finding support there. We never broke the structure to the downside. This was the structure break to the downside around $109, right? We were still above 20 days moving average, and this was the place. We talked about it. As soon as we get above this area, like 50 days moving average, staying into this channel, we got into that blue box, and we are getting out of this resistance on a really strong volume over here. ARM is still technically bullish, all right? Well, you can see today it's an explosive move to the upside, and the pivots have been still holding strong on the bullishness. So that's what we have been saying. Yep, these were intraday shorts, but that's fine. But on the swing, things are still just getting bought back up on these, and we have been going higher highs, higher lows. Nothing has changed around that, right? So what from here I expect from ARM? Well, it's not a short play, period. I mean, this thing is just not going to crash like that tomorrow. On this, there are still huge, well, technically the time to go in was here when I was talking about it. If you want to start another position, technically position start was here when I was saying about it, right? And then take partial profits in the extension, reload with the stop loss on the other side, take partial profits in the extension, reload at the structural pivotal points that I was mentioning about with the stop loss on the other side, and take profits in the extension. Partial profits, you need to take those out regardless, all right? So, and then you can, reload and with the stop loss on the other side if the pullback comes, when it comes. So, but right now, structure is full on bullish. ARM has a lot of bullish places now, like 121 is a bullish pullback. Even the level of, at this point, like any bottom of this channel is just a pullback on this thing. Even $117 is just a pullback. So there is no denying that, yeah, this can just continue higher. And so yeah, like 164, not saying it's going to happen tomorrow, but that's the direction we are going towards. So we'll see if we can continue that 164, but that's the direction we are going towards. I would say like 145 to $150 is where, at least this can continue as well. And then we'll see if we go to supply zone range of 164 again. So right, so things are looking great on ARM. Even taking a look at hourly interval here, you can see we never broke below 200 hours moving average, kept holding that support. And today we were just going up and up and up. Yeah. Yeah, you can even see today, even the pullbacks are getting bought back up. Yeah, bulls have a lot of room. As for the levels I gave you, 121 is just a pullback on this at this point. Anything until 170 to 118 is just a pullback. And this is just, if it wants, yeah, this is just bullish play. I'm not seeing any structure to the downside on this. And this thing may continue higher. So yeah, And guys, I did a video already on Nvidia this morning and also AMD. AMD is giving an unthinkable move. Check that these videos out. I'll be doing another Nvidia video later when the market has closed. But that's where we are. Semiconductors today are super strong. Let's take a look at Nvidia real quick. And oops, didn't click that properly. Here we go. Look at this thing. So the video I did was like, is it a parabolic move or a blow off top, right? This thing. So check out my video that I did in the morning that will tell you what you have to look for. But this is just unstoppable here, right? This is just, yeah, Nvidia is just showing no signs of stopping. Other than that, well, AMD, I talked about it already, but just really quickly show you. Little bit resisting again into the supply zone, but the structure is still bullish on this thing. We are still in that pivot. Structure is still bullish technically. These were the areas to buy, as I have been saying on my videos, and these are the areas to take partial profits. But yeah, structure is still bullish. So reload if can be loaded up, that's fine. Stop loss can be on the other side, but stop losses are important because stop losses, once they hit, that means structure is breaking, right? You have to have your stop losses properly as well, and that's what I'm telling here. All right, that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. Let's actually just take a look at QQ and SPY. I'll talk about them later as well today in other videos, but you can see QQQ looks like a little bit slowing down. It might go into distribution phase, but it's not bearish right now. We are above 454. It's even bullish even as long as we are above 449. And speaking of SPY, SPY looks like it wants to go in the distribution phase, and weakness is coming. It's just semiconductors are holding it strong. You know, today market is only up because of semiconductors, because rest of the other stocks, they are just, you know, crawling, right? But it's semiconductors, but SPY is still selling off. And I think, but if this has to constitute as a distribution phase, we have to lose 524. It may give some weakness, but swing bearish, it's still not there, not going to be there. There's 50 days moving average coming strong as well. All right, well, guys, that's it for this video. All right, hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.